coming live from MCO because we catch flights, not feelings.
Naomi Shali in the Jardins, please recheck your podium
Do you want
58.
me? Because, listen, I just want to let you guys know that these bags are something serious. Look at this bitch. So, we, what did we do?
You decided to party like a rock star last night?
We decided. You
And as a reminder, ladies and gentlemen, to everyone's...
Me and Gigi went out to a very nice home gathering. And yeah, I'm tired. It wouldn't have been that bad if it wasn't so far away, but it was like an hour away, so yeah, we're tired. Went to bed at like 3, woke up at like 4:30. What time is it now? What time is it? Shit. It's 6:47, so I feel like these mornings are just not adding up. And then I pack everything and I forget my freaking face mask. In a pandemic, who forgets their face mask? So I 100% am tired. So yeah, stay tuned. This trip is about to be pretty lit. So show you guys how we travel during a pandemic. Hey guys, so we have officially... Alright guys, so we just landed in Dallas, and baby, it is so hot. So hot. We are waiting on Bree to pick us up. Our flight was for 2 hours. It wasn't that bad. The landing was a little rough, but I was actually quite surprised. Like, the airplanes are now like getting, I guess, like, airlines aren't underbooking like they were pre-corona, so I feel like now they're just like, whatever, let's get this money. So yeah, I wasn't really a big fan of that. Me and Gigi got to sit by ourselves, but the rest of the plane was definitely 100% booked. But yeah, so it's hot. I have no eyebrows on because clearly last night I wasn't doing right, and it was like 4 o'clock in the morning when I started getting my life together this morning. So this is all you got for now. Say hey, Gigi. Waiting. We're hungry. We're tired. She's well rested, but I am not well rested because I didn't get the window seat. So,
You know, why didn't we do that?
what?
Switch seats.
I don't know. But yeah, she was sleeping so peacefully, and my ass was crumpled. Anyways, yes, waiting on Bree. So once she gets us, I'm pretty sure we have some festivities for the day. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. Welcome to the Dallas vlog. Oh yeah, I have purple hair. You guys don't know. This is the, which one is this one? I forget what brand. I'll link it below, but it's not too bad. It's 100% dry, but it still transfers. So if anyone is like wondering how it wears, this is it. But yeah, guys, see you in a little bit because I'm hot and I'm tired of holding this camera. Bye. Guys, so we finally made it to Bree's house. Yeah, Shine. You're good. You're good. So we're celebrating Bree's birthday this weekend.
We better take some shots, a plethora of shots.
Because clearly everybody's on level 0. And she needs us to be at like level 30. So we're gonna take a couple shots and go to the pool. And you guys can say hi to Bentley.
My friend's fine. You know, you gotta put it in your face just a tad bit. Only can show one eye.
Ladies, y'all not listening.
Oh.
We're trying to go to Mexico.
346 minutes later.
Guys, it's views from the bed right now. I'm clearly tired as shit. So tired. Yeah, and my face is so greasy. I've been in the sun all day. But yeah, so it's party time and everybody's downstairs. And I'm up here napping because I legit, yeah, like I'm still sleepy, but I'm gonna get my ass up because I feel like I'm gonna get yelled at. So yeah, I'm hungry as shit because these bitches want to keep eating shit. They got meat. I don't have meat. All I've had is french fries and a motherfucking smoothie today, and I want some more. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm hungry. Somebody need to help me. But yeah, that's my little rant for now. And then next time you guys see me, I'll be a bad bitch again. Bye-bye.
Later that same evening.
morning, guys. So it is the next day. Yesterday ended up really late. So me and Gigi are hungry. Half of the house is up right now. We're not. I mean, we're hungry. So we're about to go get some food. Excuse the crustiness, because I don't need anything until I get coffee. I'm not doing nothing until I get coffee. Y'all know I need my coffee. So, yep. Hopefully we can get out the house, because I feel like people are starting to wake up. Then everybody's going to start wanting to go. And then I'm not going to eat till like 12 o'clock again. So, yeah. Pray for me, guys, because I'm hungry as heck. Just waiting for Gigi to bring her ass downstairs so we can vacate. Alright guys, we just finished breakfast. I'm just so happy now because we have been so hungry, and I feel like that's all I've been talking about is getting food. But yeah, we just finished breakfast. We're about to, if not burn the hell up, because it's so hot. Like,
We're walking the wrong way.
okay, we're walking the wrong way. And we're walking the right way. We're about to go walk to a store really quick because we need to get back to the Airbnb and get our lives together. But we need to go get some stuff. So we about to go get some stuff and figure out what we're gonna get, and then yeah. Alright guys, I almost forgot to give you guys a tour of the Airbnb that we're at, so come take a ride. Back from our ice cream run. Well, technically not back because we keep missing our turn, so we're just walking.
You walk around like you know where you're going?
Pretty much. It's hella hot out here, but definitely beats Florida weather right now, especially. So yeah, hopefully we find the right turn. A lot of nice sightseeing, but most importantly,
there go that raggedy car we saw.
oh yeah, there it is. Landmarks. But let's just talk about this ice cream. Brahms, was it?
Yeah.
Brahms, baby. That was some good behind ice cream. Delicioso. You know, Gigi wasted a little bit though.
Wow.
Just like a little bit.
Just the cone.
You know, just the cone.
I slurped all the ice cream out.
She what?
I slurped the ice cream out.
That mouth do. But yeah, it's hella loud out here. Really loud. I think everybody's waiting for us to get back to the Airbnb so we can get this party started. Oh, it's only 3 o'clock? Shit. Looks like it's a hell of a lot earlier. I mean, later. But yeah, so as you see, it's hot. So hot. And we're walking like broke bitches. No, I'm just kidding. Everybody needs a little walking and exploration every once in a while. I thought I was about to say something else. Woo!
Show's there.
Right?
Give us a ride.
Give us a ride.
We got 2 more minutes of walking.
2 more minutes of walking.
Oh.
2 more minutes. Whew. We gonna be all right though. We gonna make it.
Day 3.
Good morning, guys. Morning, Gigi.
Morning.
Back at it again because we are hungry. No, I'm just kidding. We just want coffee, so we're taking our asses out to get some coffee. We literally been walking everywhere.
Caramel frappuccino with an extra shot, baby. Ooh.
I'm just gonna get a grande cold brew with like 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, caramel, and a little bit of almond milk.
I knew that you ordered Rocky shit because hers was too simple for me. I don't know what the fuck she wants.
She wants some fruit. She just want.
I can't go to Starbucks for Rocky. No
She
more.
want me to order off the menu. Look, we don't order off the menu. We just say what we want, baby. We just say what we want, baby. Anyways, yes, we're about to check out in a couple hours, have another pool day, and take our asses back on home. Because we're tired.
I should have took Tuesday off, man.
For what?
I don't know.
We gotta get this money so we can do more stuff like this. So we can build houses like this.
Fine, I'm gonna use all my PTO before December. I ain't got nowhere to go.
Let me have it. This is fucking kneecaps. This is how you do it, guys.
We in here.
Don't try this at home.
Eventually.
Ooh, a piece of my eyebrows off. Sorry. Whatever.
My eyebrows is real off, and my eyelashes.
Anyways, Ashley just flew us to the airplane.
Literally.
The aeroplane.
She literally flew us.
Yeah. Like,
Wait, you gotta give me the thing.
A. 39,
Look,
son.
everybody, hold on there. But yes, we're headed back to the airport to take our asses home. We're exhausted.
Okay, terminal.
It's been non-stop shots and partying, and I just want to go to bed. So yeah, I really want to just go to bed. So luckily the flight's only like 2 hours.
I thought y'all were all leaving on the same one.
But yeah, we made it, bitches.
This was scary.
Guys, about to walk in the airport. Airport flow. You know, mask on, shawty. Yeah, Dallas actually has a really tiny airport. So I don't know if you guys can hear me or I'm muffled, but yeah, the airport's small as shit. So this is actually a really cute mask.
Yes, they did not tell me.
I'm ready to go home. Not because I wasn't having fun, no, but because I'm tired. And I'm tired. So, you know, this is so crazy. Who would have thought that 2020 we would have to travel like this? You know? Like this is a normal thing. So, you see the little purple coming through just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, I'm so hungry. Don't know what we're gonna eat. Hopefully something, because by the time we get home, we're gonna be tired and don't want to do anything. So, might as well find some food now. Alright guys, so we officially made it to Orlando. As you can tell, I look dusty, crusty, ready to go home and sleep. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Of course, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until we meet again, see ya!